So last night it was really sweet. We got Holly and I got some old reggae records out, and we started singing, and I played guitar, and it was really really sweet. So I just wanted to play one of the sweeter ones we played last night. Real sweet, so sweet. People don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. People don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Woke up this morning, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds perched on my doorstep, singing sweet, sweet sounds, melodies pure and true. Singing, this is my message of love to you. People, don't you worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Now people, don't you worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. I woke up this morning, I smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds perched on my doorstep, singing sweet, sweet sounds, melodies pure and true. Singing, this is my message of love to you. It's so sweet.